Okay, this is the left wheel. You can see it's got quite a bit of play in it. I just did the right one a minute ago. I'm going to pull this apart, check the wheel bearings on it. Right wheel bearings are all right. The grease was just dried up and they needed adjusting. This left side's really loose though. I don't know if you can see that. It's making a noise. It's too loose. So instead of having push end caps, this one's got bolt end caps. You're just going to pull the 3 screws off of there. 3 bolts. Pull the bearings out and check them, make sure they're all right. Repack them. The other side, the grease was pretty nasty. Like dried up, wasn't lubricating nothing. So if you're not sure when the last time they were repacked is, probably pull them out and clean them and inspect them and repack them, replace them if you need to. If you know they're already repacked, you can just go ahead and adjust the knot on them. And all you're going to do on that is run the knot in until it takes the play up and then back it out slightly until you get the cotter pin in there. You don't want it really tight. So you don't want them really tight and you don't want them really loose either. This tire's about had it, man. This left one's really dry rotted on the sidewall here. Weather cracked. And you see that's pretty ugly in there. These must have been replaced on this side. No, they're good. They just look a hell of a lot newer than the ones on the right side. They ain't got greased. It's all crusted in them, really. The right one, the stuff was dried out and pulling it off there and stuff was falling out of it. And I thought it was bearings and it was damn just dried grease. Okay, now you're going to adjust it down tight until it's touching there, and then back it off slightly until you can get your cotter pin in there. Yeah, put a little Indian head shellac on there since I don't have gaskets, new gaskets. All right, that ought to be it.